So hello YouTube land. It's been about a year since I've last done an update on the Impala, but I have good news. Besides, actually becoming a priority now, and besides finally getting everything in here back together, although the seat kind of got hit by battery acid, she's actually having no more lights. She is set. I have a working radio. Let's not blast that. I lost that cover there, so that's unfortunate. I'll have to try and find something for that later. I'm being attacked by every mosquito right now, so I'm getting kind of pissed off. But yeah, the Impala is actually done. And best of all, the trunk actually opens and closes now with the button. So, found out what the reason was for that. This fuse box here, internally, went bad. I have no idea how. All I can say is, fuck that fuse box. Second issue. See this red wire here? This is the wire that goes from the starter to the alternator. There was a fuse that goes right here, which I somehow lost already. And that blew. And Chevy, in their infinite wisdom, decided to say, let's not make that anymore. So if you have a Chevy Impala police interceptor, there's a fuse on this red wire here, which is covered in black tape. You can see the little fix up there, wrapped up in the forward electrical tape, but it goes straight down there. The fuse would be right about here. It's gone now because I took it out, but yeah. Same battery, by the way, the same one that this car came with. That started with Crown Vic as well. But by God, she's running really nicely. The AC needs a recharge. That's unfortunate. I'll take the L on that. Oh yeah, I found matching headlights. These are both junkyard. These are not new. You can see how long this thing was sitting. The grass is taking over the wheels. But more good news. I put the fucking cap back on finally. I stopped procrastinating on that one. See, a battery acid apparently will not destroy leather, but will break every fucking seam on it. So I might replace that, might not. Debating on it. Talk to the actual owner. This is empty. Crown Vic's over there. Still dealing with Hertz and the Edge over here. And my newest rental. Actually, I've never done a video on this. I'll have to do a video in a little bit. Huh. So, there's no working AC in here, unfortunately. This is what we're gonna do. Was not what I wanted to do. I just wanted to pause the video, but whatever. Good. Let's see. Okay. That looks pretty pinned. So, we're taking this thing around the block and shake that rust off these tires finally. Let me drop down the wheel. Ooh, these are scrunchy. We can just hear everything on this car is yelling, "Drive me more." So I'm going to take this girl around the block once. Okay. She does not like, well, the camera's not like that. Okay, brake check. Brake's good. Yeah, she's driving real nicely. I mean, smooth as can be. Now we got some, don't have to worry about the battery dying. This thing has moved a little bit. I brought down the Chevy, who were, what's like, Rick Hendrick Chevrolet, who are my trusted Chevy GM dealer out here. When they pointed out what it was for that dang fuse, I couldn't believe it. Who puts a goddamn fuse between a alternator and a starter? Brake check mark 2. Okay, she's a little sticky, I'm feeling. Yeah, brakes are definitely a little sticky. She is doing good though. Drive like I know she can. Adjusting these things. God damn. Oh yeah, let me check these. They don't smell like ass, that's good at least. Yeah, so far so good though. Neighbors. Handles real nicely. I miss my old 09 now. That's weird how the thing shifts like that. But yeah, I can now say this car is pretty much done. I got no check engine lights, 137k on the clock. That ain't bad. I would do a burnout right now just for a victory thing, but at the same time, not my car. I'll just do the repairs on it. Oop, battery low. How nice. Thank you. This isn't the most eventful video, but I figured I'd give you guys an update on this thing. Now it's finally fixed. Replacing the fuse box and the goddamn wire. Anywho, I'm gonna go put her in park. Do a check on that lug nut. But yeah, we are golden. Put this one back. Brown Vic's in her spot right now, so where the Tahoe was actually. Anywho, she's all done. She got the temp. It's running good. Windows all work. Radio works. That's a dead squirrel falling from a tree, if you can hear that. Yeah, she is ready. Let you know how she goes when the sale. Thanks for watching.